In this video, we will show you how to replace your driver's side main blend door actuator on this Ford F-150. This will be located along the driver's side of your dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to have to carefully make our way underneath the driver's side dash all the way towards the center area. Just under here, we can gain access to that actuator. Now under this area, we can see our blend door actuator right out in the open. We're going to start with the electrical connector. For this electrical connector, it has a small red locking tab. We'll just carefully pull that out and away. And then you can squeeze on the locking tab, which is located just in front of it right here. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver. We'll pry this out of place. There we are. Go ahead and press in on that center portion as I mentioned, and we'll pull that off. A quick inspection for corrosion. If you see any, you need to take care of it. This looks fine. Continuing on, you're going to find that you have two T20 torque screws. There's one right here, and there's one a little bit further up from there, up along the top of the blend door actuator. Let's go ahead and remove the pair. There's our first screw. Get the next one off of there. Now we should be able to take hold of that and pull it out and away. There it is, friend. With that out of place, the next thing we'll do is just inspect our mounting points here, confirming that there's no miscellaneous debris or damage. Now let's focus on the center area here. Now right in here, you can see a star pattern, but there's also a small locking tab. You can tell it looks different than all the other notches. If you were looking at your blend door actuator, you're going to be able to see exactly where that needs to fit. We'll align this and then twist the base until all the bolt holes align, starting those mounting bolts. Let's have a quick look at our blend door actuator that we're going to be replacing. We can see exactly where that little notch is supposed to go. Now to align this, the way that I'm going to do that is just take hold of this cog here, and you should be able to turn it in one direction or the other until that's properly aligned with the proper area. There we are. Let's press that right in as far as possible. It should sit into place. Let's install our mounting bolts. They're both started. Let's snug them up. Go ahead and take hold of that, give it a wiggle, confirm it's properly mounted up against the area, continue on with your wiring harness. We'll press it in, listen for a click, double check, make sure it's secured, then lock it in with the red locking tab. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Just go ahead and push one of your buttons here. We want to make sure that it does change as it should. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.